Good morning, writers. Welcome to week 13. I can't believe how fast it's flying by, but we're already in the last phase of our Unit 3 with fences and finishing up our essays. You guys are doing a great job of deciding on your topics. There's quite a good variety. Remember, you can do a comparative analysis between the film and the play, or you can do a critical literary analysis, including some of the concepts from drama. It doesn't have to be packed in that way, or you can just look at those concepts from drama and make an argument from there. But there's a lot of variety. Oh, or you can rewrite a scene. I forgot about that. A lot of people actually ended up kind of picking that option. It's really fun and creative to rewrite the scene and change the narrative in the way that you see fit. So as far as what's going on this week, we have our typical wrap up like we have had in the last two units. When you log into the home screen, you'll notice that there is an advertisement for a play happening this week at Ventura College. It's called Ghetto, and the story synopsis is here for you. It looks awesome. I am going to go, I think, Wednesday night because it's free on Wednesday night. If you go Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, it's $5 for students and $15 for anyone else, or general admission. So check that out. This is a really great opportunity, as you already know, to really think about those concepts of drama and then to see them acted out. And it's just the best way to learn drama is to actually watch it. It's meant to be watched. It's not necessarily meant to be read. And so then you get to experience the theater, you get to experience being part of the crowd, you get to experience the visuals, the costuming. This particular play, I believe, is set in the 20s. And so the clothing, I mean, just the costuming alone, it's just awesome. So I encourage you to go. Again, I will be there sometime this week, probably Wednesday when it's free. So what's happening this week is just our normal wrap up. I also have links to your journal log, the essay that's due at the end of the week, essay number 3, your quiz on drama, which is just following those concepts from the packet. So have your packet out and ready while you're doing it. And then there's also a link to Citing for plays. Sarah, one of our fellow classmates, asked me about citing. This is also in your handbook, the Little Seagull handbook, but I just went online and typed in drama, citing drama, and MLA. And what I like about this one is it's just kind of a 2-pager, super condensed, shows you how to do it in text, shows you how to do it if you're citing like an idea from the play, and then if you're citing an actual line from the play, then you would, or dialogue where you're going back and forth, then you can cite it like that. Remember, you're just experimenting and you're trying. I just want you to try your best. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I do want to see that cited, and then you'll have the citing of your actual play at the end there. The citing for fences is really easy because it's just a small little book. So that's what's happening this week. Yeah, so you click on the wrap up. If you have any questions, you can, I think it will link you to our question discussion. If not, you can post them here. Either way is fine. We have a couple sample essays here. I kind of waited and put them here because I wanted you to try on your own and see how you're doing. And then if you're feeling insecure or just curious about what it looks like, I pulled 2 sample essays from my recent summer class. One is an analysis, a literary criticism and analysis, and then the other one is a rewrite. And so again, I just pulled 2 essays from my summer class in case you want to look at those. Also remember, we have lots of resources on campus. We have the tutoring center, the writing center. Over here on the side, we also have NetTutor, which is part of the class. These are these are outsourced tutors, but I believe they give you a 24-hour response time, which is cool. You know, getting feedback on your writing is good. It helps you grow. It helps you become a stronger writer. So that's what's happening in week 13. Again, if you have any questions, you can post them here. You can either go through the discussion or you can just go through here. We can clear it up. Have a great week 13. Good luck with all your studies. I know that there's a little bit of pressure as we kind of move into the end phase of the semester, but for us, it actually lightens up. It goes straight towards reading with the novel, and then there's still discussions. We'll be moving into Ruth Ozecki's A Tale for the Time Being, which is beautiful. I'm so excited to read it and share it with you and talk about it with you. Again, there is no essay for that unit because we're just going to be discussing it online and looking at those concepts of story that we've already gone through with our short story unit. So it's a time for us to chill, kick back, read, and discuss. Have a wonderful week.